Hello guys and welcome to TechTics tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create Coinbase account on your phone. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So Coinbase is an American policy traded company that operates in a cryptocurrency exchange platform, while Coinbase is also a distributed company where all employees operate via remote work, and it's the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States by trading volume. So here I'm going to teach you how to create a Coinbase account on your phone. So first off, you will have to download the application in your Android or iOS device, or you can just head on to their website, which is coinbase.com. So right here, you will see that you can get started by just entering your email. So there you go, just enter your email. And you can download the Coinbase wallet if it's available in your country. Unfortunately for mine, it isn't, so I'm just gonna have to walk you through it. So after you have entered your email, you'll have to verify your email. After verifying your email, which will be sent in your email account, where they will give you a verification code for your verification, you will have to verify your phone number, where they will send you their OTP code, so they will confirm your phone number, and then after that you'll have to add your personal information such as your name, your birthplace, your birth date, and so on and so forth. And lastly, you have to identify or verify your identity, where this is very crucial for all type of cryptocurrency platforms where you have to verify your identity. So after verifying your identity, you can link a payment method such as your MasterCard or Visa, bank, debit, or whatsoever. So there you go guys, that's how you create a Coinbase account on your phone, and thank you for watching this video.